Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, All Things GarageBand. I'm Jeremy Haws. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get your bass guitar, your bass track
to sound a little bit grindy. How to get gritty.
Sounding awesome, okay? How to get it a little bit of distortion, but not too much like the presets have, okay? Without further ado, let's get started. Yeah. Getting harder, it's getting harder to see. All right, guys, so here we go. So we're in GarageBand here. I've got a song I've been working on a little bit for a little while now, and so we've got two guitars, a left and right here to give it some width, some drums, and we got a bass. Okay, so I want to give my bass a little bit of clank and a little bit of you know, also a little bit of distortion. Okay, so check it out. Okay, so you can hear what we're after here. So it's the bass amp. It's already giving it a little bit of clank here. As you can hear the clank, so I really don't need to do much with that. But we're going to do some EQ to change a little bit of stuff. But the main reason you're here today is for a little bit of distortion. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I do that. Okay, so I go see where at the plugins down here. If that's not on, you go click on this little button there, and then go to where the light lights up right there. Left click there, and then go down to. We're going to go to distortion, and we're going to go to clip distortion, okay? We're not going to use the pedals. We're not going to use any of that stuff, okay? Clip distortion. This is what we're after, okay? So check this out. Let's see how this sounds like real quick. We'll, there you go. I'm going to set the clip tone a little. Mix around 60 I like, but I'm going to turn down the clip drive a little bit, but turn up the mix. So we'll turn it down, the distortion. See what that sounds like with the whole band in there. Kind of, I have the bass down to a little bit. Yeah, let's turn that up a little bit now. Okay, cool. So it sounds good, but sounds better on its own, and that's the reason, because we still have got, there's a lot of things that are going on here. We've got the bass and the guitars fighting each other in the mix. We've got the drums that aren't done yet. They're not polished up yet. They're just processed drums. We need parallel compression. We need compression on the different. We need like everything. We need parallel distortion on the drums. All kinds of stuff. We need parallel compression for the bass. We need compression for the bass on its own track. Also, we need all this stuff to do it, and also we need to hit it with. We have to hit all these with EQs. We got to cut a lot of the low end for the guitars. Cut some mud out. We got to cut a little low end for the kick drum with the bass. All kinds of stuff to get it to sit right, so we can hear that awesome sound that the bass sounds by itself to come through the mix. Okay, that's a lot of work, and we'll get to that today. I just want to show you guys how to add a little distortion on to spice it up a little bit. Okay, if you guys want to see more videos like this, please check out my channel, All Things GarageBand. If you like this video, please smash that like button and subscribe. I'm Jeremy Haws. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. That leaves it wide open. See you guys.